Good morning children, welcome back to our social class. Okay, we already started our second lesson. Do you remember what is the second lesson? The name of the second lesson is our houses. Our houses. Okay. You remember the lesson what we learned up to now? What we learned up to now, do you remember that one? Yeah, we learned the importance of the house, isn't it? Different kinds of houses. What are the different kinds of houses? Kacha house and Paka houses. Now, what is the topic we are learning now? We are learning about the special houses. What are the special houses? I told you. With the houses which cannot be seen regularly, and we see in a particular places only. Those are called as special houses. Yes, children. Yes, we already started the topic and learned about one special house. What is the special house we already learned? We learned about the igloos. What we learned, Amma? We learned about the igloos. Do you remember that one? Igloo. Igloos is the house made of snow. Blocks of snow is used to build the igloos. Okay, and the people who are living in igloos are called Eskimos. Now, today we are going to learn another special house. Another special house. Okay. What is another special house? As I told you before that people build houses according to their climatic conditions. Isn't it? Yes. Now, we are living in plains. Yes, we are living in plains. We build our houses according to our climatic conditions. In plains, what we have? We have different climate. Yes, different types of climates. Means sometimes it is hot, sometimes it is cold, sometimes it is raining. All the three seasons we are having. So we build the houses according to our climatic conditions by using the bricks, cement, stones, etc. Yes. Now, here this special house is built according to the climatic condition. Means in some places all along the world, in some places the climate is different. In some places it will stay for a long period. Means if it rains continuously. If the snow falls continuously. It won't change. The weather remains same. The weather remains same. Here in some places all over the world, in some places there will be a continuous rainfall. Continuous rainfall. Okay, let us see in our place. Now we are in rainy season only. It is raining. It is raining. How it is raining? It is raining for some time and stopping. Again it is raining and stopping. Again it is raining, stopping. Or continuously it may fall for 1 or 2 days. Yes or no? Yes. 1 or 2 days. But in some places it rains continuously. Means for a long period continuously for months. For months, not only days, it rains for months. In hilly regions or mountain regions, we can find this continuous rainfall. There, the people will build these special houses. Okay, if it is continuously rains, what happens? The water fills on the land. Yes or no? Yes, the water fills on land. Up to what extent it fills? Here, in our places it rains, but the water will not stay. If the land is low land, then the water stays. Yes or no? There the water fills, and sometimes the water enters into our houses also. If you watch the TV, in the news channels, we can see some places are filled with water because of the heavy rainfall, and the water enters into the houses. We can see that in the news channels, in our news also. Okay. But in some places there will be no rain or rainwater on the land. Why? Because there are highlands. Here, now we are discussing about the heavy rainfall regions where the water always spills on the land and sometimes it turns into the floods. Floods అంటే వరదలు కూడా వచ్చేస్తూ ఉంటాయి అన్నమాట. అర్థమవుతుందమ్మా? వరదలు, ఫ్లడ్స్, ఇట్ టర్న్స్ ఇంటూ ద ఫ్లడ్స్ ఆల్సో. హియర్ ఇన్ దీస్ ప్లేసెస్ ద పీపుల్, it is impossible to build the houses using these bricks, cement, stones, etc. Here we are building these houses like akka houses by using these different types of materials, bricks, cement, stones, etc. But in those places which is having heavy rainfall, it is impossible to build the houses by using these type of materials, that is bricks, cement and stones. Here there the people use long poles. Means poles అంటే తెలుసమ్మా, పొడుగుగా ఉన్న కర్రలు, poles అంటారు. People use these type of long poles or sticks, we can say them as sticks also, to build their houses. ఎలా బిల్డ్ చేసుకుంటారు? Here this is the land. We build the house on land. Yes sir, we build the house on land. But in the places where there is a heavy rainfall and always the rainwater fills on the land, there the people build the houses on these type of poles. ఇలాంటి పోల్స్ మీద కట్టుకుంటారు హౌసెస్. అర్థమవుతుందమ్మా? See, people use these type of long poles. See, this is the land. ఇది వాళ్ళకున్న land. Rainwater always fills on the land. There the people use these type of long sticks, long poles. Here see, look at this carefully, long poles, and on these poles the people used to build their houses. People used to build their houses. See, on these long poles people used to build their houses. This house will sit on these poles. This house will sit on these poles. ఈ poles మీద నిలబడి ఉంటుంది. It stands on the poles. It stands on the poles. ఈ poles హెల్ప్ తోని ఈ హౌస్ దీని మీద నిల్చుని ఉంటుంది. And whenever the rain water fills here, ఎప్పుడైనా సరే rain water నిండిపోయినా కూడా it won't enter into the house. It won't enter into the house. And ఇంటిలోకి రాదు ఇంత rain water. For this purpose only, these types of houses are built in these rainfall regions. These houses are called as stilt houses. What it is called, Amma? It is called as stilt houses. వీటిని ఏంటంటారమ్మా? స్టిల్ట్ హౌసెస్ అంటారు. స్టిల్ట్ అంటే పోల్స్, స్టిక్స్ అని కూడా అనొచ్చు. స్టిల్ట్ హౌసెస్. These houses are built on these poles. Whenever it rains heavily, the rainwater will not enter into these houses. To avoid these type of dangers, the people used to build houses on these poles. Understand, children? These are called stilt houses. Here, for these houses, here see, have you observed this roof? It is used as sloping roofs. Why? Because the sloping roofs, the rain water will slides down easily. Rain పడిందనుకోండి, వర్షం వాటర్ పైన ఉండదు, ఇంటి మీద నుండి కిందకు వచ్చేస్తుంది. It slides down easily. Understand, children? So these are called the stilt houses. Let me show you the model of the stilt house. Okay, children? Here, see, this is the land. This is the land, and these are the long sticks, long poles which are used to build the house. And on these poles, the house will stand on these poles. Here, are you able to see, Amma? Are you able to observe this one? On these poles, the house is standing on these poles, isn't it? This is called stilt house. And do you observe the roof of this house, how the roof is? The roof is sloping roof. When the rain falls, the rainwater will not stand on the roof. The rainwater will slide down easily. Okay children, this is the model of the stilt house. And here there will be a steps here to come down and to enter into the house. Okay. Okay children, are you clear about this stilt house? Stilt house are used, and the materials which is used to build the stilt house is long poles or sticks. If we use brick, cement or mud, what happens? In the rainwater, ఏమవుతుంది బాగా నానిపోయి తొందరగా స్పాయిల్ అయిపోతాయి houses. Understand children? So that's why they use long poles and sticks only to build the houses. Okay. And now let us go to the next special house, that is see, everywhere we cannot see the land. In some places most of the land is covered with water. Okay, and where we can see the water? We can see the water in seas, lakes, ocean, rivers, etc. Yes or no? Yes. What we see on the water? What can we see on the water? We see the ships. Do you know ships? Do you know the ship? Yes, we see the ships on the water. Yes or no? The people who are living in these places, means where there is more water and less land, build houses on these ships also. In these ships also. Those are called as houseboats. What we call them? Those are called as houseboats. The people who build houses on boats are called houseboats. Okay. Everywhere can we see these houseboats? No, we cannot see. That's why we are calling it as special house. In some places only we can see this special house. See, the people who are living in these in these places will build houses on these houseboats only. There, and here also the roof of the house is round shape only. Okay. So these are the houseboats. Okay, whenever we go to the outstation, what we do? We lock our house and we tell to our neighbors to look after it. Yes or no? But these type of houses can be movable. Wherever we go, we can take along with us our house. Okay, children? And these houseboats are the attraction, more attraction to the tourists also. You know who are tourists? See, for example, we go to visit a special place, means Taj Mahal or different Arakuloya. Okay, we are called as tourists, means we are visiting that place. In the same way, the people who visit Kerala and Kashmir, what are the places, Amma? Kerala and Kashmir. There we can see these houseboats. These are the more attraction to the tourism. That means the people who visit these two places in India. In India, we can see these houseboats in Kerala and Kashmir. In Kerala and Kashmir, we can see these houseboats. These are the special attraction to the tourists. Means the people who visit to the places. Okay. and these are also called as floating houses. You know, children, these are also called as floating houses. And the people who visit those places will show interest on these houseboats. They take a ride on the houseboats also. Children, okay? They take a ride on these houseboats also. These are also called as floating houses. So now these are the different, these are the special houses which we cannot be seen regularly. We can see them in a particular places only. Okay, means igloo in snow regions only. Still houses we can see in the more rainfall regions only, that means hilly regions or mountain regions. And houseboats, we can see these houseboats on water only. If we build house on water, what happens? It sinks down. Avuna munigipotundi. Mamuga house తీసుకెళ్ళి water మీద కట్టగలమా? లేదు. But we can build houses with the help of the boats. ఈ boats help తోని house మనం build చేసుకోవచ్చు water మీద. So these are called the houseboats. These are the three special houses which we can see in a particular places only. Okay, children, we learn the different kinds of houses, that is kacha house and pakka house. Now we learned about the special house also. Igloos made of snow, still house made of long poles and sticks, and houseboats. Houseboats are made with the help of boats and they float on the water. That's why they called as floating houses. Okay, children, here I have brought you a houseboat. See this one. This is a boat. This is a boat. On this boat, people used to build the houses like this, and people used to reside in these houses. This is the model of the houseboat. I already showed you the model of the igloo, already shown the model of the stilt house, and this is the model of the houseboat. Okay, children? Okay, is it clear for you? These are the three different special houses which we can see, which can be seen in a particular places only. It cannot be seen everywhere. ప్రతి చోట మనకి బిల్డింగ్లు కనపడతాయి. ఇవి కనపడతాయా అమ్మా? No. We cannot see these. We can see these type of special houses in a particular places only. Okay, children, can we learn some difficult words which we have learned among these igloos? I-G-L-O-O, igloos. Okay, igloos. And stilt, you can read this S-T-I-L-T, S-T-I-L-T, stilt houses. And houseboat, H-O-U-S-E, house, B-O-A-T, boat, houseboats. And what is the material using to build these igloos? Snow, S-N-O-W, snow, S-N-O-W, snow. And what is the material used for building the stilt house? Long poles, P-O-L-E-S, poles. What is that? Poles or long woods also. Long woods also. Okay, children. And what is the material? Where we can find these houseboats on water only. Okay, children. And what are the places we can see the houseboats? What are the different places? I told you two places in our country. In our country is India. In India, where we can see this Kerala, K-E-R-A-L-A, Kerala, and Kashmir also. Kashmir, K-A-S-H-M-I-R, Kashmir. Okay, these are the two places where we can find the houseboats. Okay, children, these are the special houses. And now we are going to learn about the movable houses. What is that? Movable houses means moves from one place to another. One place to another. ఒక ప్లేస్ నుంచి ఇంకో ప్లేస్కి మూవ్ అయ్యే హౌసెస్ కూడా ఉన్నాయంట. అంటే మనకి హౌస్ బోట్ నేర్చుకున్నాం, అలాగా హౌస్ బోట్ అంటే వాటర్ మీద మూవ్ అవుతుంది. కానీ ఇక్కడ ల్యాండ్ మీద కట్టుకునే హౌసెస్ మూవ్ అవుతాయా? నో. ల్యాండ్ మీద కట్టుకునే ప్లేసెస్ ఇప్పుడు మన ఇల్లు ఉంది, మనం ఎక్కడికి కావాలంటే అక్కడ తీసుకెళ్ళిపోగలమా? నో. ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ పాసిబుల్ టు మూవ్ ద హౌసెస్ విచ్ ఆర్ బిల్ట్ ఆన్ ద ల్యాండ్. బట్ హియర్ we are going to learn about some mobile houses which can be taken along with us wherever we go. Okay children? Mobile houses, we can take them wherever we want to go. Okay children? Now see, movable houses means the houses which can be moved from one place to another. Wherever we go, we can take our house along with us. Those are first one, tent. What it is? Tent. It is a house. And next, caravan. Caravan. And the next one is teepees. Teepees. These are the three types of houses which can be movable from one place to another. I will tell you about these three types of houses in our next video. Okay children, we continue in our next video.